Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'm at 8556 Dewberry Way in the beautiful city of ELK Grove. This amazing single story has some great amenities. So without further ado, come take a tour with me. From the moment you walk into this beautiful house, you'll notice the fit and finishes are amazing. We have a remodeled kitchen right behind me, updated floors, newer paint throughout the house. In addition to being a single-story house with 3 full bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, has their formal living and dining room areas as well as your family room areas. So please continue the tour and meet me in the backyard. Wasn't that a great home? Well, in addition to the home amenities, you have some great community amenities as well, including a park that's nearby, shopping, fine dining, and the freeway not too far. So when you're ready to take a tour with me, please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.